Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Mr. H, and today we're looking at the Huawei Mini Speaker. Just looking at the box, this thing is tiny, so I don't know what it's gonna, how it's like the performance is gonna be, but let's have a look anyway. So let's cut open the little sticker here, and let's take a look at this. So a couple of things about this speaker. It weighs 101 grams, which is almost nothing. It's super tiny, 50 millimeters times 56 millimeters size, and it comes in two colors. So it comes in emerald green and it comes in graphite black. The one I've got here is graphite black. As you can see on the front, you can stereo pair them. If you get two, you can put one on each side and then pair them together to get like a 360 audio type sound. It says amazing sound, so we'll see about that. And deep bass, which for something this small, I'm not optimistic, but like I said, we'll see. So let's take a look inside. You've got a warranty booklet, which is, I really don't know why they keep posting these out. You've got all the information online, and then you've got another booklet, a Huawei Mini Speaker booklet. I suppose by the time they fit every language in, that's how big it gets. And then we have, I believe we have the speaker. Very minimalistic packaging, as you can see. You've got a little carrying lanyard type thing. I don't know if you can see it. Let me brighten up the says Huawei on it as well. Pretty nice. This way you can like put the lanyard on the speaker and then you can hang it up somewhere where there's a hook or something, and then it'll be out of your way, but you can still listen to the music. So we get a tiny cable. Assume this is to charge it. Still micro USB. That's a bit disappointing. I thought it would at least be USB-C because I thought that's where we were going. But I guess for something this cheap, it would be micro USB. Anyway, and this thing, I mean, when I looked at the box, I thought it was small, but this is actually tiny. I cannot believe how small this is. I'm trying to compare it to something. What do I have to compare it to? Here we go. So I've got my Canon camera battery. It's almost the same size as my Canon camera battery. Wow. And to say that they've got a good sound from that, that's optimistic. But the good thing is, for something so small, it has got quite a bit of weight to it. And it seems like it feels like metal, this bit around. This obviously down here is like plastic rubber, but this does feel like a metal material. So it feels really good to the touch. I mean, this the battery in this thing is 660 milliamps, which you might be thinking, what does that mean? It means 4 hours, about 4 hours continuous playtime. So for something that tiny to play 4 hours of music, something you can put in your pocket, it's pretty amazing. To charge it, use the micro USB or use any micro USB-C cable. I mean, micro USB cable, and it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge. It's got a 3-watt 4-range speaker inside. It's IPX4, water and sweat resistant. So I mean, it probably won't handle being dropped into a pool or something, but generally out in the rain or something, it should be fine. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Let's connect it to my phone and play some music and see what it can do. You probably won't get the best like correlation on the video to what kind of sound it outputs unless the microphone picks it up, because everyone's got different speakers at home, etc. But it will give you a rough idea. So this is the power button on the front with a little LED Let me see if I can focus that. Power button, LED, charging slot. Got the 3-watt speaker, should I say. See if it's got any juice in it. Oh, it's doing something. So see, you've got a flashing blue light, which I think it's going to come up on my device now. Pair new device, searching. Searching Huawei CM510. Assume that's it. Pairing. Cannot communicate. Let's try again. Huawei CM510. Here we go. Pair. And it's paired. Right now the volume is halfway. So I've got a song here we're going to try. Let's try this. Well, let's put it down. We'll put it down, say, a quarter of the way. See what it sounds like. Quarter of the way, it's not that loud. Let's put it halfway. Alright, that's better. That's much better. That's only halfway. Let's turn it all the way up and see what happens.
I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finding loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet.
Wow. I mean, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't expecting much. But that, for something this tiny, you can just pop in your pocket. And I think, let's take a look how much they go for. Was it Huawei CM510? You can get them now on Amazon. I'll show you here. You can get them now on Amazon for £16.95. That is an actual bargain. I'll post the link to the Amazon page in the description box below. But this is, I mean, for 4 hours, that's enough for you to go out to the beach or something like that, and the loudness on it is more than enough. I was expecting it to be very quiet at this size, but that's actually surprised me majorly. You just want to make sure that you charge it fully, obviously, but that's actually ridiculous. I did not expect that from this tiny little speaker. No, that's very good. I would highly recommend this. Anyone, I mean, from first impressions, that's insane. Something so cheap as well. Anyway, guys, that was just a short video. Well, it might not be so short, but if you liked the video, thumbs up it. Subscribe to see more content. Comment below what you want to see next. If there's any specific items you want to see reviewed, I will try my hardest to get them. And follow me over on Twitter and Instagram, as I'm very active over there. If you want to see content before I post it to YouTube. And that was the Huawei Mini Speaker. I'll catch you guys on the next one.